My name is Jaynee Sasso. I am the CEO and founder of Senior Runs. We are a web and mobile chronic care management platform that provides, we take an all-inclusive care approach to preventative care for our aging population. So we take health aides, we connect them to our seniors, and we address the top four social determinants of health. That's lack of transportation. We do that. Digital literacy, we help them in that area. Social isolation, we make sure they stay engaged in community, and we provide in-home support. Simple things. Somebody can't walk to get to the trash can. So just different things that we know in everyday life, a person that needs to have a quality of life. We have accomplished so much. We've provided thousands of hours to our clients in the Hampton Roads, Virginia area. And so we service currently the Williamsburg area all the way down to Virginia Beach. And at this stage of our growth and development, we're looking to duplicate our model across the nation and help as many seniors, and to really provide care not just to the senior population, but our business model will definitely impact other populations, such as that of the maternal and fetal health. So we're just looking to make sure that we address any healthcare disparities that might happen across the nation and prevent people from accessing timely care. I am so loving Bullpen. This is my first in-person Bullpen event. I am a founding member, and I just love that this is industry specific. So that means that anybody that I talk to in the room is naturally going to be able to understand my business, be able to point me in the right direction, help me to make good connections. And we're not just networking for the sake of networking, which everybody I'm sure can relate to, but you really feel a connection, and you all understand where each other is coming from, and you're just trying to bring ideas to the healthcare world that change the lives of people in general. So I'm just excited to be here, and I encourage anybody that is looking for a productive environment to network, to grow, to help other people. I love that concept. It just takes away the stigma that folks sometimes feel about networking. You feel kind of funny, like I'm just kind of using this person. But here, you don't feel that way. You naturally can go up to someone and like, hey, you need help? What is it that you're doing? And people are open to talk. So I just really, really appreciate the Bullpen and the environment that it has fostered since its inception.